How to change or delete the recovery phone number in Gmail. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to your Gmail account and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then all you have to do is just tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then you can see the option of manage your Google account over here. Tap on manage your Google account, and then it will lead you to the Google account page over here. So now here you can see different options from home, personal information, data and privacy, and security, people and sharing. So just tap on security, then scroll down, and here you'll be able to see the option of recovery phone over here. So just tap on that. Now as you tap on the recovery phone number, you'll be asked to use a passkey to confirm that it's really you for the security reason. So just tap on continue and give your passkey. So it might be anything from your fingerprint, face lock, or your screen lock. So just use your passkey, and after that you'll be led to the recovery phone number. So here you can see the phone number. Now you can have two options, either to edit or you can delete. So if you want to edit, then tap on this icon over here and you can edit the number. Now if you want to delete the number, you can just tap on delete and you can remove the number from here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.